McDonald's, Starbucks, KFC. You can find all of these in Prague. But that's not what I'm looking for when I'm vacationing. I want to stroll down the streets of my guest city and discover the local restaurants, whether they serve domestic or foreign food. I'm looking for culinary satisfaction and an enjoyable atmosphere. And I found all of that in the capital of the Czech Republic. On my first night out, I decided to try the local cuisine at a typical Czech restaurant and opted for the mixed grill. Another day, another restaurant. I quite liked the mushroom cream soup and the duck confit with fried apples and pumpkin puree. If you want to enjoy lunch or dinner while watching the marine activity on the river Vltava and the marvelous views of the city, you can board a stationary riverboat. Make sure to bring cash money because this is the only restaurant I visited in Prague where they don't accept credit cards. I savoured their pasta with prawns and lemon sauce, which was delicious. Sometimes hidden gems pop up out of nowhere. Like the time I visited Vyšehrad and decided to have pancakes at a seemingly simple establishment. When I went inside to use the men's room, I was quite surprised to find what looked like an upmarket restaurant with a very stylish interior. If you want to dine in a historical setting, I can certainly recommend the restaurant on the 7th and 8th floor of St. Henry's Tower. Located in a medieval belfry with the original clock hanging between both floors, it is not the cheapest restaurant in town, but they served me the best trout preparation I ever tasted. There are so many more restaurants for you to discover in Prague. But my time was up. I enjoyed every meal and had absolutely no complaints about the food, the service, the friendliness of the people, or the local atmosphere. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Home Base Belgium. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. My name is Paul. See you again next time.